If you go onto Etsy and you type in Clipart, you're going to get back over 1,000 items. In fact, it feels like a million billion items, and you're going to see some that sell and some that don't. So what is Clipart? Well, Clipart is non-photorealistic images. They could be cartoony, they could be cute animals, they could be sketches. They're typically not photographs, but as you can see here, there's lots of really cool elements that you can use for illustration. And I've got 3 niches that people are actually looking for and you could make sales in. Let's jump in. Now, if you're wondering how I can see the sales data, here we've got monthly sales 27, total sales 246. I can also see the views, even the conversion rate. That's the rate of people who have clicked on it and then actually purchased something. So it's about 2%. Here's a listing age. How do I know all this information? Well, I'm using an app called Everbe, and I highly recommend it. It's great for niche research and analyzing different shops inside of Etsy. I'll put a link to Everbe in the video description below. Just a heads up, it is an affiliate link, and that just means if you purchase the Everbe subscription, I would receive a small commission. I highly recommend it for both print on demand and for selling digital downloads like in this video. So if you're on Everbe, you're going to see a site like this. This is the niche research or keyword research page. And we can see here, I've typed in Clipart. Search volume is about 900 a month. Competition is 1.8 million for this exact keyword. And that gets us a very low keyword score. Good news is there's other keywords down below that have a much higher keyword score. So what you're shooting for is a higher keyword score. That means the chances of people searching for your keyword and having low competition is relatively good. Now, niche number 1 that I'm going to highlight in this video is vintage sewing machine clip art. And it's very specific. As you can see, the search volume is 46 a month on Etsy. Competition's pretty low at 663 listings. Not every listing is going to be an exact match. And you can see the keyword score here is pretty good at 70. Now you may think, well, there's only 46 people searching. That's true, but you can see down below there's related keywords. And also remember, this is every month. And if you have a listing that has these keywords in it, there's other similar phrases that may also capture that result. Let's see what's up on Etsy for vintage sewing machine clip art. All right, this first example caught my eye for this exact reason here. The conversion rate is very high. It's almost 9%. So although there's no monthly sales, the total sales are 73. Now this listing age is over 10 years old. So this has been on Etsy for a long time. So I wanted to show you this because in this day and age where we're chasing trends and we're trying to get quick sales, this is somebody who's doing things right. They've put up a very high quality design. It's $2.85. Now, it happens to be 50% off, but we can see here they are making sales on somewhat of a regular basis. And what I love is the conversion rate is high, meaning that if someone's searching for this, they're going to pull the pin and buy it. This here is a great example. Just what I was looking for to use in a sewing project. This is a digital download, which means they're not paying for shipping. It's pretty much passive income at this point. Here's another one that's completely different. This is sewing ephemera images set. This is 37 high quality digital images, $3.44. Again, monthly sales are 0, total sales are 16. And you'll see it's again a very high conversion rate. This is almost 8%. Listing age is almost 2 years old. Now, you're not making huge amounts of sales here, but you can set it and forget it, meaning you can list this on Etsy and you can walk away and people will purchase it over time. And this can render a few dollars in your bank account. $3.44 times 16 sales, they're up to about $36, $37. Not bad for one listing over time. Niche number 2 is Wildflower Clip Art Bundle. So you can see here on Everbe, the search volume's decent. It's 466 a month. Competition's a little over 7,000. That gets us a good keyword score. But check out down below. There's lots and lots of related keywords. And if you know anything about flowers or botany, you can really niche down into this in addition to just the word wildflower. Don't be afraid to include bundle in your listing, and obviously clip art is a good word as well. So the combination of these you can play around with and you can find some pretty good keyword scores. Here's an example on Etsy of a relatively new listing. This is 17 months old, 57 monthly sales. This is 12 PNG wildflower flower bed clip art. And look at all the different keywords they have: printable, watercolor, transparent, digital download, paper, craft, and journal. Beautiful looking thumbnails. This is fantastic, whether you're drawing them by hand or you're using artificial intelligence or you're grabbing public domain images. These are beautifully crafted, high quality digital downloads, and the price point's pretty good too. Check out the views in the last year and a half as well, over 21,000 views. So people are certainly searching for this sort of design over time. Here's another one that's completely different. This is 550 plus Wildflower SVG bundle. So you can see here in the thumbnails, there's lots and lots of different flower related SVG files. Look at the conversion rate as well, pretty high, almost 7%. Same listing age, 17 months. Monthly sales 112, total sales over 2,000. So you can do the math here. You might think, wow, 550 designs in a bundle, that's a lot of work. But imagine if you wrote a book and then you made $3 times 2,000 sales. That's $6,000 they've made off of this listing over the last year and a half. One thing I really like with Everbe is this Analyze Listing button right here that's embedded inside of Etsy. When I click on it, you'll see there's listing details now that open up, and we'll see the monthly sales, monthly revenue. There's all sorts of analytics in here, which is really neat. You can also go into the shop details as well, and you can see total sales, the shop age. So this person's doing amazing. They haven't even been open 2 years, and they've already made almost 8,000 sales. And we can see here on Everbe, we've got the overview of the shop, all the different listings they have, tag analytics, which is huge because it shows you the keyword scores here. Look at this one, floral line art SVG, 560 keyword score. How cool is that? Niche number 3 is grumpy Clipart, and I highly recommend switching out the word grumpy for another emotion if you don't like grumpy, for example. So there's all sorts of different emotions. You can add that in with Clipart. Here, just as an example, for grumpy Clipart, we have a search volume of 165, competition of a little over 2,500, gets us a pretty good keyword score of 60. And again, you'll see down below, there's different keywords that you can look through inside of Everbe as well. Here's a great looking listing on Etsy. This is Grumpy Coffee Birds. I love the double niche. If you like birds and coffee, this can be great for t-shirts or digital downloads. We've got 18 monthly sales, total sales over 100. Conversion rate again is very high at almost 8%. And here's another one as well. With coffee, you could do all sorts of different animals. Here's a hippo, a dog, a cat, $11.05. And this gets you 16 PNGs. So that's a pretty high price point. They're still making sales here. 18 monthly sales, 275. I'm actually going to click Analyze Listing to see. We can see here the monthly revenue is $189. And these are beautiful thumbnails. These are beautiful looking designs. So obviously, if you've got Illustrator or if you're an artist and you're hand drawing these or using artificial intelligence, there's lots of options here for you to create beautiful pieces of art that people are looking for. This listing age is only 7 months old. I really hope you found this walkthrough helpful. I love using Everbe to help make sales in my life on my own website or through Etsy, or you can even use it when you're looking on sites like Redbubble or TeePublic, because if you're searching for something on Etsy, chances are you're searching for something on the internet on different websites. Again, I'll put a link to Everbe in the video description below. Highly recommend. Here's another video on how you can have some fun in the world of niche research.